Lalabas kami ni Direk. Mga madam ko, bibilisan ko lang ha. I'm wearing this para hindi ko na i-flex bukas. This stripe, something like this. It's so very, very maganda. And it's only 350 pesos. Okay, just on the brand. Okay, and I'm wearing this new release Tiffany hardware. Grabe, super duper ganda. Dumi pa rin ako ko, hindi pa rin ako. Ay, super maganda. Ayan siya mga madam ko ha. Medyo mabigat po yung ano. And it's for only, medyo mahal po kapag hardware puro ha. This is for your forever. Okay, again, pag white, it's forever. And it's only 580 pesos. And this one is 350 pesos. Okay? Gets? Okay. Flex ko lang to ng mabilisan. Ang box po nito, may box pa to ha, mga madam ko ha. May box pa to. This is antique. Vintage bento box. Oriental ha. 3-layer. It's a 3-layer something. Oh. Ganyan siya mga madam ko. It's unused. It's new. But it's vintage. Look at the box. It's vintage. And I'm selling this for only 680 pesos. For only 680 pesos, you can have this. Okay? It's very, very maganda. Ayan siya mga madam ko. It's very maganda. It's oriental. Okay, next. Bibilisan ko lang. Okay, this is are you familiar with Peter Rabbit? It's original ha mga madam ko. It's original Peter Rabbit. Dalawa lang po ito. Nakita ko rin to sa gray market and they are selling this for parang 675 ang isa, the cheapest. But now I'm giving this two for only 750 pesos. Peter Rabbit ha, original collectibles. Collectibles, my God, my goodness gracious, put that in the box. And this one is Frank. Okay, this cat figure design is, magkano ang post ni Direk? Ay mga madam ko ha. Oo. Grabe original po itong mga ganyan ha. Look at that. It's gold. And look at that. The fusa here. The fusa is nandun sa tangkay, okay? Pwede itong cover. Pwede rin siyang, what do you call that? No. Not saucer. Yun, basta yun. Ganyan no talaga pag may demensya. This is very, very nice na pangregalo sa mga bossing and everybody na mahal mo. Ang ganda pa ng